10 signs. She's thinking about you. Non-stop. Have you ever wondered if she's constantly thinking about you? Whether it's someone you're just getting to know or someone you're already in a relationship with. Certain behaviors can reveal when you're on her mind. Today, we're going to explore 10 clear signs that she's thinking about you non-stop. Stay with us until the end to discover all these clues, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications for more insightful videos like this. 10 signs she's thinking about you non-stop. 1. She sends you texts or calls you. When a girl is thinking about you often, she might text or call you just because. If she sends memes, stickers, or simple greetings, it's her way of staying connected. Even a quick message late at night can show she's been thinking about you for a while. 2. She finds reasons to be near you. A girl who's interested in you might look for reasons to be around you. She may ask for help with small tasks or accidentally bump into you. These moments might seem random, but they often happen because she wants to spend time with you. 3. She mentions you to others. If she talks about you to her friends or family, it's a strong sign you're on her mind. She might share stories about you or ask others for advice about you. The more she mentions you, the more it shows she values your connection. 4. She laughs at everything you say. If she laughs at almost everything you say, even if it's not that funny, it could be a sign of attraction. Her laughter might come from nervousness or a genuine liking for you, and it shows she enjoys your company. 5. She makes an effort to connect with your friends. When she's interested in you, she might try to connect with your friends. She wants to learn more about you through the people close to you. This shows she's invested in becoming part of your world. 6. She gets physically close to you. Physical closeness is a strong indicator of attraction. If she finds reasons to sit closer to you or touch you during conversations, it shows she's drawn to you both physically and emotionally. Watch for her body language. If she leans in or angles her body toward you, it's a sign of interest. 7. You catch her staring at you. If you catch her staring or glancing at you, it's a clear sign she's thinking about you. A lingering gaze can indicate curiosity or admiration, especially if she quickly looks away when you notice. 8. Her friends act differently around you. If her friends start acting differently around you, whispering, giggling, or giving you knowing looks, it's likely because they know she's interested in you. They may tease her or act in ways that hint they're aware of her feelings. And 9. She puts effort into her appearance. When a girl dresses up or spends extra time on her appearance around you, it's a sign she wants to make a good impression. She may adjust her clothes, fix her hair, or check her reflection, showing she cares about how you see her. 10. Her body language tells a story. Body language often reveals more than words. If she leans in when talking to you, maintains eye contact, or mirrors your movements, she's expressing interest. Subtle actions like turning her body toward you or playing with her hands show her attraction. These 10 signs are subtle but powerful, clues that she's thinking about you more than you realize. Understanding these behaviors can help you interpret her feelings. Have you noticed any of these signs? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends who might find it helpful. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest videos about relationships, psychology, and human behavior. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Stay curious and take care.